Before eliminating the EGR system on your 22RE or 22RTE build, grab this EFI specific EGR block plate kit. These block-offs are designed to use your existing gaskets. If your gaskets aren't in the best shape, we recommend you use a thin layer of ultra-gray RTV on the sealing surfaces, consisting of a 3-bolt plate for the cylinder head and a 2-bolt plate for the upper intake, and all new hardware. You'll get all the plates you need to get the job done. If your vehicle is equipped with an EGR temp sensor, add our resistor kit. You can insert one of 2 quarter-watt resistors into the unused pigtail to keep your computer from tripping the check engine light. Rated at 10K or 5.6K ohms, there's no way to determine the value you need until you test it. Precision machined from a thick plate of 6061 T6 aluminum. Get what you need for your 1983 to 1995 2.4 liter 22RE or 1985 to 1988 22RTE Toyota 4-cylinder.
By the people specializing in your engine since 1985. LC Engineering Performance Toyota.